I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you notice any suspicious activity on your Spectrum Mobile account, it is important to report it quickly. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spectrum Mobile website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you can access all your account settings and report issues. Step 2. Navigate to support. Once logged in, look for the support or help section in the menu. This area provides resources for reporting issues and getting assistance. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the support section, find the option to report suspicious activity. This may be labeled differently, such as report fraud or account security. Step 4. Fill out the report form. Complete the form with all relevant details about the suspicious activity. Be as specific as possible, including dates, times, and descriptions. Note, if you're unsure about what to include, check your recent activity log for any unfamiliar transactions. Step 5. Submit your report. After filling out the form, review your information and submit it. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding your report. If you ever notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to follow these steps. It is always better to be safe and secure your account.